Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Kerala cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make Mattanga Paira Erisheri. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be 1 cup of red cowpeas, 1 cup of chopped red pumpkin, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 4 to 5 dry red chili, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, salt as per taste. Apart from this, for preparing the tempering, we require half cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal, few curry leaf and 2 to 3 dried chili. Firstly, to begin with, take the red chickpeas, wash and soak them for minimum 6 to 7 hours or overnight before further use. Chop the outer peel of the red pumpkin and further chop them into medium-sized cubes. Once your red chickpeas is soaked well, wash this once again and later transfer this into a pressure cooker. Now add 1 cup of water into this and close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 6 to 8 whistles in low to medium flame. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and transfer the shredded coconut, dried chili, cumin seed, turmeric powder, salt and 1/4 cup of water and grind this into a coarse consistency paste. Make sure your ground masala paste is not too watery and is of the consistency as shown in the video. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 2 cup of water. Now allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, transfer the chopped pumpkin pieces into it. Now cover this and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure your pumpkin is uniformly cooked. Once your pumpkin is well cooked in low flame, transfer the cooked red chickpeas into it and give it a good stir. Now add the previously prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer with 1 cup of water and add that as well. Now give this a good mix and close this with a lid and cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. If required, you can add extra salt at this stage. Now to prepare the tempering, take another pan and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now transfer the mustard seed, urad dal, curry leaf, dried chili and shredded coconut and saute this and cook until the shredded coconut turns golden brown. Now transfer the prepared tempering into the erisheri and close this with a lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now our delicious Mattanga Paira Erisheri is ready. It is not too thick and not too watery. Once it cools down, it will thicken a little bit more. We can see that the pumpkin pieces are also well cooked and not too mushy. This can be had as side dish along with rice, chapati or roti. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.